Hi friends. I'm Cotton. Are you ready to count fruits with me?
1! Hooray! It's the number 1! Wow! Look! It's the number 2! It's the number 3! 3! Yay! 3! The number 4, the number 4. We can all count to 4. Look, it's the number 5. There are 5 bananas hanging on the branch. Look, it's the number 6. 6 happy cherries.
There are 7 blueberries here. Let's count slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That makes 7.
8. 9.
10 avocados standing in a line. Count with us. It's number time. 10. 10. Avocados make 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.